In this video, I'll guide you through creating AI laughter using Elevenlabs, even though there isn't an official method for this just yet. We'll have to rely on some trial and error techniques for now. But before we begin, if you found value in this tutorial, please consider subscribing and hitting the like button. Your support motivates us to keep producing top-notch content for you. Without emotions, even a good voiceover may sound flat and robotic. To bring joy and lighten the day with a sprinkle of humor, making interactions more enjoyable and memorable. So, to start with, the most effective approach I've discovered involves tweaking the voice settings, particularly adjusting the stability parameter. Lowering the stability increases variability and allows for more experimental results. Initially, the outcomes might be inconsistent due to the lower stability setting, but it opens up possibilities for unique and experimental laughter. In this demo, I've set the stability to around 6. Let's listen to the initial result. Although your results will naturally vary, so it's worth experimenting with different settings. You can also manipulate the stability to control the duration of the laughter. Lower stability for longer laughs and higher stability for shorter bursts. As Elevenlabs evolves, we expect more customization options that will streamline the creation of laughs and similar effects. I hope this video has been helpful. If it has, drop a comment below to share your experience, and remember to like and subscribe for more content. Also, don't forget to explore a wide range of tutorials and resources covering diverse subjects at MediaMagnetGuide.com.